Let's go. I'm here for National Pancake Day. Let's go inside. Looks crowded. Oh, yeah. Jersey City. Looks yummy. Let's see what they have. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. See, we got a pancake here. She bring me a coffee, everything, and we have this whole jar coffee right here. And this is the French vanilla. This is yummy French toast. Girl, you are so pretty. And this is my free pancake. Just for the pancake day. So people just ordering. Looks busy. What you waiting for? Still watching video? Go with your family. Enjoy free pancakes and I hope happy pancake day.